All right, everyone, welcome back. So today we're working on this pond here, and we're at the point where we're going to be installing the overflows. So one of the biggest things with overflows is it's nice to be able to adjust them. You know, over time things settle, things change. You might want to adjust your pond level a little bit. So this is the way that we do it so that they're adjustable. So first off, we start out with everything 6-inch in this pond. You know, you can do this with 4-inch, 6-inch. You can do it with 8-inch, but it's a little tougher, a little more expensive. But so what we start out with is we got this SDR 35 pipe. And it's solid pipe, it's SDR 35, you can find it anywhere. And then what we do is we order these online. These are 90s. But the trick with these is they're not the glue-on 90s. They're actually the O-ring 90s. So the benefit of this is once this is all buried, these can actually turn. And we can adjust the water level by about 8 inches. If we turn them all the way down or all the way up, it's fully adjustable. So then we move on to the SDR 35 pipe, which is, you can find that anywhere. And then the next thing is, we got these white things. These are actually adapters. So to go from the 6-inch solid to the corrugated, well, this isn't corrugated, this is just solid ADS pipe, which is also 6-inch. You gotta order these adapters. You can find them online, they're not too expensive. And all they are is, you slide them onto there, and then they got these barbs on this side. It slides into the ADS. I'll show you a picture of that right now. So once you adapt over, you adapt right into your ADS, and you can put as long of a stretch as you want. Right now we got about 50 foot that goes down to the excavator and drains down that hill. So it's a real simple overflow system. It's not too pricey. You can do it with 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch. Once you get up into 10-inch sizes, it can get a little weird. And the other benefit is, you could see we're running 2 of these. So you can actually run, you know, 3 of these, 4 of these if you want. You know, as long as you seal everything good, everything's gonna work fine. And the other benefit is that if one of these clogs, we still have an overflow here. So that's just one of the benefits of this, fully adjustable. You can run as many sticks of this as you want. Sometimes we do 1, sometimes we do 2. You know, if you're getting up towards 3, you might just want to install 8-inch instead. But overall, very simple system, easy to use, easy to install. So that's how we do most of our overflows. All right, and this is what it's like when you got the whole thing buried, and then these are your adjustable overflows. If you watch, you can take this, and it ain't necessarily easy. You don't really want it to be easy. Let me set this down. Look at that. Turn that pipe down, and that water level of your pond is gonna go all the way to the bottom of that thing there. So there's your adjustable overflow. Thanks for watching. And if you guys want to see how we built this pond, the full video, I got that linked in the description. So awesome, thanks for watching. I hope you guys can use this to your advantage. Very simple. So you guys have a good day.